Good day. So for now, we're gonna use the BufferedReader implementation in getting the user input. So the first thing you need to do is open a text editor or any IDE that you use. So in my case, I am using Visual Studio Code. And then we're gonna make a new text file. Now, after making a text file, we can select a language. So we are using Java. So forget that. Now, to make a buffered reader implementation, the first thing we need to do is import in packages. So, it's gonna import the buffered the buffered reader class is in the package of java.io dot buffered reader. Then, along with buffered reader, we must also import input stream reader. Input stream reader, as well as IO exception. Now after that, we're gonna initialize our class. So public public class, and let's name this as passenger input. Public name. Now, after making the class, we now have the main function, and the first thing we need to do is initialize the buffer reader so that we can get user input. So the first thing we need to do is from input stream reader, and we name this as input. Then initializing this as to get user input system in. Now the buffer reader will then be initialized as the input. So buffer reader, we name this as data in, and then buffer reader, then input. Now let's make the code to ask the user for their user information. So we must need to make a prompt so that they know what information are being asked. Print, input name. Then since it's a name, so we're gonna use this string data type. String name data in dot get. We can just copy paste this to make our lives easier. After name, we're gonna get the contact number. So contact number. Contact number, system out. Zero. we're gonna input the 0 so that it's one. Hmm. So the way buffered reader reads input from input stream is as a string. So in order to convert it as a long data type, we must parse it first, the string, so that we can convert the string as a long data type. So we must use a parsing method. So from long we must parse long the data that we've gathered like this. And then move on to gender. So gender all gender put the in gender zero. So that we can get the first character being inputted. Then let's proceed with this is ticket number. So ticket number is a string also. So, after ticket number, we have passenger seat. Passenger seat. And passenger seat. This one is a short seat, and then short, short, and then after passenger seat, we now seat type. So uh, input and then this one's another string. So next subset type is destination. Destination is another string. So we'll just leave it as is. Next of destination is destination, right? Let's have a legend here or a guide. So if we type into, that means it's international. And if we type false, then that means it's local. Then this one's a boolean, so we must parse it as a boolean. Next is departure date. Departure date, this is string. Departure date. Then lastly, departure time. After we're done with this, we can now proceed to display the information. System. Passengers. And concatenate the variable name. This. Next is passengers. Next is convert. Next is ticket number. Next is seat, passenger seat. That is seat variable. Next is type of seat. Next is destination. departure. Now to run this, we must save it first. So save as the name of our uh, class, so passenger info. Save, yes. And then so far there's no error that occurred, so let's try to run this. So input name, input name. Oops. Let's do it again. Input contact number, 09. Input gender. So ticket number, let's say for example for Manila, then this one, passenger seat, let's say I'm on passenger seat 23. Seat type, I'm on economy class. Destination, Manila. So this is a local flight, so we're gonna input false. Departure date, let's say September number, so departure time 5 a.m. So there you go. This is the output. So we have the passenger's name, the contact number, the gender, ticket number, passenger seat at economy, destination, departure date, and departure time. So that's all for this.